Another mortgage and real estate looking under the hood video. So I want to share this with you. So I think a lot of people are thinking this, they're just not clearly communicating it or asking it. And I'm just going to ask it and communicate it. A lot of people are saying, I want to find the best rate and the best deal. But a lot of times in mortgage, for sure, is that you don't just find the lowest rate and then that is the best deal. Because a lot of times a low rate comes with higher fees that you're going to pay for. So it doesn't end up being the lowest rate or the best option for you. Now, sometimes it is. You call, let's say, 20 different lenders. You might find, the pick of the litter there. You might find, okay, get it all sent to you, review it, find a good lender that's going to help you navigate the best deal, the best rate, so that you don't have to feel like it's smoke and mirrors and that you're worried about this person's going to say this and they're not telling you the truth. Find a lender that's going to find you and help you navigate this and wish you well if you find a better deal than them, kind of like what I do. And when you're looking at these options, okay, it gets broken down in three things: the interest rate, the fees, aka closing costs or fees on the loan, and then the third thing is the loan type, and then your longevity with this loan. If it's a short-term loan versus you're not going to touch this loan for the next 10 years, your decisions on what loan is the best is going to change, okay? Now, back to picking 20 different lenders and shopping them all. I mean, that's overly aggressive. It's kind of psychotic, to be honest. You imagine talking to 20 different people before you decide to pick what lender. Now, could you? Yes. Should you? I don't know. I know that I have a commitment to helping people find the best deal, whether it's with me or without me. But you have to also look into one of the biggest things, right? Is when you're looking at the rate and then the fees and then the loan type, and then you're matching it to your profile and your position, and then you do find the best, okay? The last thing you have to look at then, after you've compared apples to apples, is then you have to look at communication, customer service, advice, connections, problem solving, and will they close on time, okay? So this comes down to, some people think you have to pick local for this. But a lot of, sometimes when people pick local, they're going to not have as many options, lending options, that they could have gotten if they would have called a few other places. That doesn't mean they're going to find a better rate by calling somebody outside of their town or outside of their state. But sometimes, because there's a lot of amazing lenders out there that are in different areas of the country that can lend all over the country, like myself. So it's not always about picking local, but sometimes it is, right? Like for banking, you should definitely bank local. For a car loan or a personal loan or a home equity loan, I would do local as well. I would. It just depends on your situation, right? Because there's sometimes that I'm not the best fit for certain customers, but sometimes those people should have found me and I would have been their best fit. So it's not an all size fits one type of thing. Now, back to the picking customer service, advice, and closing on time, okay? I know I'm circling around a little bit, but when you're looking at someone that, hey, I want to close on time, but you found the lowest rate and you pick somebody that you're not sure is going to close on time, if they delay your closing, that could cost you a lot of money. Lock extension fees. The seller could charge you per day to extend a contract with the realtor. You're talking about maybe moving expenses with the moving company that now they're going to have to charge you more, or you might have to find a different moving company and they're more expensive. There's stuff that might hit you, but if you saved a little bit, but your service was bad, your delivery was bad, you didn't really pick the best deal either. So you got to weigh all this out and you got to ask yourself, am I picking the right person? Because all that does matter. So I hope this all helps. I wanted to share this all with you. We'll talk soon. Peace.